Hey everyone, welcome back to Eat Yummy. Today I'm sharing a quick, budget-friendly, and healthy recipe, crispy cabbage patties. They're light, flavorful, and perfect for anyone looking for a nutritious snack. Vegetarian option, or low-calorie meal. Let's get started. Cut a fresh cabbage in half and remove the core, the hard center part. Slice the cabbage into thin strips and place it in a bowl. Add a little salt, mix well, and let it rest for 10 minutes to release moisture. After 10 minutes, squeeze the cabbage with your hands to remove all excess water. This step makes the patties crispier and helps bind the mixture. Cabbage is rich in vitamin C, fiber, and antioxidants, great for immunity and digestion, especially during colder seasons. Now add sliced onions, green chilies, red chili flakes, cumin seeds, crushed coriander seeds, chaat masala, black pepper, turmeric powder, cilantro. Mix well. These spices boost metabolism and digestion. Add 1/4 cup rice flour for crispiness. Then slowly add gram flour. This is naturally gluten-free, protein-rich, and perfect for people looking for healthier alternatives. If you don't have gram flour, you can use plain flour, but gram flour is definitely healthier and gives better texture. Add salt to taste and 2-3 tablespoons of water to bring the mixture together. Shape the mixture into small patties. Heat a little oil in a pan and shallow fry them on medium heat until beautifully golden and crispy on both sides. You can also air fry or bake these patties for even a healthier version. These patties are low in calories, high in fiber, and make an amazing healthy snack. Serve them with a yogurt dipping sauce, garlic mayo, or your favorite spicy dip. Thanks for watching Eat Yummy. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit the like, subscribe, and tell me which country you're watching from. It really helps the channel grow.